I might call this the date night look. I like this.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deasia, but you can call me D. And if you're new for the first time, welcome. This is day 5 of my Valentine series. And if you want to see how I achieved this, what is this? Black, purple, pink, smoky eye with a pop of pink liner. That's a long title. Anyways, continue on watching. Okay, so I already started my eyebrows. So if you wanted interest in how I did my eyebrows, then you can check out one of my recent videos. But this one, I just wanted to really jump right into this look. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Pillowy base in the shade Rumour 3. I'm gonna blend the lid out first, and then after the lid is blended out, that's when I'm gonna move it up. And when I'm blending this out, I like to press it in. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Texture eyeshadow palette in the Rose Gold edition, and I'm gonna start off with that black truffle shade, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Next, I'm switching palettes, and I'm going to my Morphe Lisa Frank palette, and I'm using that shade Puppy Love. And I'm just gonna press that right on top of the black. I'm gonna go back into that brush I use, and I'm gonna blend that black and that pink together. Then, so I did go in with that pink, violet, and velvet from the Morphe Lisa Frank palette, and I'm about to add some more of that pink up top. So I'm going in with my Pillowy base in the shade pink, and that's what I'm going to use to do my eyeliner. So I'm going in with that same pink. So I'm going in with that same pink, and that's what I'm going to put on top of this liner. Next, I'm going in with my white Pillowy base, and I'm going to create a liner. gonna go in with some pink liner at the bottom of my lash line. So I'm about to prime my face with my It Cosmetics by Pores Illuminator. Then I'm gonna go in and cover my dark spots with my matte concealer in the shade NW40. So now I'm about to blend out this concealer. Going right into my foundation, Juvia's Place Foundation in the shade 400 Ethiopia. I'm gonna get some setting spray, my MAC setting spray, spray my brush, and then blend my face. Next, I'm about to conceal. I'm going in with two concealers, both from Juvia's Place, and they're different shades. I'm going with 14 first, and I'm going to do that in front. And I'm going to use 13 to conceal the rest of my face. The contour that I'm going in with today is my contour stick by Juvia's Place in the shade Zambia. So the first thing I'm going to do while my concealer sets is I'm going to blend out my contour first. When I blend out my contour, I like to blend up. And I'm going to blend out my concealer. So I'm about to set my face using my Juvia's Place Satin Powder in the shade Kalahari. And when I set my face, I don't bake, I just press the powder in. I'm gonna go in with some blush to bronze my face up. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer. So now for the lips, I'm gonna use my contour stick that I went to get in with Gold. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. I'm about to go with my contour stick and in the shade Zambia, I'm gonna outline my lip. Using my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 350. And then my Dazzle Glass lip gloss from MAC. So this is the final look. I like it. You know, it's cute, simple. It's really perfect for a date night. Like, I might call this the date night look. I like this. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about it. My hair, I'm trying to keep my hair up like this. This is how it's supposed to go. This is how it's supposed to go. But it keeps falling back like that. But it's supposed to go right there. So this is how I want it to look, y'all. And it's cute. But anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. And follow me on my social medias. All the links are in the description. And I will see you guys next time.
Don't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.